The Larson Electronics Hazardous Location LED wall-packed floodlight is designed for maximum efficiency with a 70-watt integrated LED assembly for high output and a 100,000-hour lamp life. This light is universal voltage capable and can be operated on a range of voltages from 100 to 277 volts AC. This fixture has a baked-on bronze finish for a rugged yet attractive design and is Class 1 Division II rated. The light is contained within a waterproof die-cast aluminum housing that is coated for added durability and resistance to corrosion. The LED lamp assembly is protected by a prismatic glass lens. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.